A very good morning, students. Our topic for the day is subtraction. Today we'll understand about subtraction and we will do the questions in place value system. So, subtraction means to find the difference. In subtraction, we take a bigger number and subtract it from a smaller number. So, it means that whenever we are trying to find the difference, bigger number always comes first followed by a smaller number. Let's understand this concept with an example. So, in this question, we take the digits 4, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we need to subtract it from 1, 6, 1, 6. In this question, we see that bigger number comes first and it is followed by a smaller number. First of all, we are going to arrange these digits in place value column. For that, we are going to make the place value chart. This place value chart will depend upon the number of digits that are given in the question. First, we will put the place value chart like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and then we will put these digits in the place value column. We all know that while we put the digits in place value chart, we always start from the last number. So the last number comes in ones place followed by the next number which comes in tens place. So in this question, 5 comes in one place, 4 comes in place of 10, 3 comes in place of 100, 2 comes in place of 1000 and 4 comes in place of 10,000. Now we are going to arrange the other digits in a similar manner. 6 will come in ones place, 1 will come in tens place, 6 again will come in hundreds place and followed by 1 which will come in thousands place. Now we notice that the first number is bigger, so it is occupying 5 places, whereas the second number is smaller, it is occupying less places in the place value column. So this place is blank. Now we are going to subtract the digits. So we have already discussed that while doing subtraction, we always take bigger number and then subtract it from the smaller number. But in this question, we notice that 5 is a smaller number and 6 is a bigger number. So in order to solve this question, we are going to borrow one digit from the tens place. So one digit that we have borrowed from the tens place, it will come to the ones place. 5 will become 15 and 4 will become 3. Since one digit goes from tens to ones, it will become 15 ones. Now 15 is a bigger number and 6 is a smaller number. So now we are going to subtract the digits. 15 minus 6 is 9. Now let's move to the tens column. In tens, 3 is a bigger number, 1 is a smaller number. So 3 minus 1 is 2. When we move to hundreds column, we again notice that 3 is a smaller digit and 6 is a bigger digit. Now again we will need to borrow one digit from the thousands place value column. So 2 will become 1 and 1 from the thousands place will move to 100 and it will become 13 hundreds. So 13 minus 6 will give us 7. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Since there was no digit in 10,000's place, in the second row it will be treated as 0. 4 minus 0 or 4 minus a blank space, whatever you say, it becomes 4. So the difference between the two digits is 40729. Our final answer comes out as 40729. Now we are going to understand this concept with another question. In this we have taken digits that are greater than the ones which were in the first question. 298671 minus 195893. We are going to arrange the digits in the place value columns. For that, first we have presented in the place value chart ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Since in this question the digits are more, so the place value chart will also keep on increasing. We all need to remember that the place value chart always works towards the left side. It will keep on increasing as you move towards the left, and it will keep on decreasing as you move towards the right. So as we all see that the place value chart is increasing towards the right. Now we will put the values in the place value column. 1 will come at the place of ones, 7 will come at the place of tens, similarly 6 at the place of 100, followed by the other digits taking the value in the place value chart. Now you will take the second number and place it in a similar manner in the place value column. 3 will come in ones place, 9 will come in tens place, 8 will come in hundreds place, followed by other number coming in the place value column. Now we are going to do another concept, which is minuend, subtractand and difference. As we all know, in subtraction, bigger number always comes first. So, the bigger number is called as minuend. The smaller number which comes in second row, it is called as subtrahend. So, when we are going to subtract it, we see that 1 is a smaller number and 3 is a bigger number. So, we are going to borrow one digit from the tens. This 7 will become 6. 1 that we have borrowed, it will come in ones place and it will become 11 ones. So when we subtract 11 minus 3, it becomes 5. Now 6 is a smaller number, 9 is a bigger number. So again we will borrow one digit from hundreds. It will become 16 tens and it will become 55. So 16 minus 9 becomes 7. Over here we had the only digit 5. We borrowed one digit from the thousands place. It becomes 15 hundreds and it becomes 7. 15 minus 8 comes out to be 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So if you see that in these questions we have arranged the digits in the place value column. First we are putting the place value chart and then we are putting the digits right below this, following the place value column. So as I told you earlier, the digits that comes first, the digits in the first row, they are called as minuend, and the digits in the second row is called as subtrahend, and the answer that we get is called as difference. So when you subtract minuend from subtrahend, you get the difference, which is your final answer.